Have you ever noticed how a cake can instantly change the mood of a room the moment it appears? Everything stops. Conversations pause, faces light up, and for a brief, magical second, everyone is united by this one beautiful creation. It's more than just a dessert. It's a symbol, a centerpiece for our most cherished memories. But this sweet tradition we take for granted has a surprisingly long and complex history, a story that stretches back thousands of years. It's a tale of innovation, wealth, and the simple human desire to celebrate life. The story of cake begins not in a fancy bakery, but around the hearths of ancient civilizations. The earliest versions were a world away from the fluffy frosted towers we know today. Think of them more like sweetened bread. Ancient Egyptians, for example, were master bakers. They would grind grains into flour, mix it with water, and sweeten it with the most precious sweetener of the time: honey. Sometimes they'd add nuts or dried fruits. These weren't airy sponge cakes. They were dense, flat, and often baked on hot stones or in rudimentary clay ovens. Archaeologists have even found fossilized remains of these simple cakes in Egyptian tombs left as offerings for the afterlife. This tells us that even back then, cake was special. It was food for the gods, a luxury meant to transcend the everyday. The ancient Greeks and Romans continued this tradition. The Greeks created a cake called plakis, which was a flat, heavy cake made from flour, mixed with honey, nuts, and cheese. It was often offered to their gods and goddesses. The Romans, with their vast empire and access to diverse ingredients, developed their own versions. They called them placenta, which I know sounds a little strange today, but it was essentially a rich cheesecake baked between layers of pastry and soaked in honey. These early cakes were rustic, but they laid the foundation. They established the idea that some baked goods were meant for more than just daily sustenance. They were for celebration, for ritual, for marking a moment as important. But something was missing. That light, airy texture we associate with cake was simply impossible to achieve. For centuries, cakes remained dense and bread-like. The secret ingredient that would change everything was yeast, but it was primarily used for making bread rise, and the results were inconsistent. The real breakthrough, the moment that truly divides ancient cakes from modern ones, didn't come until much, much later. For a long time, the evolution of cake stalled. Throughout the Middle Ages in Europe, the line between cake and bread remained blurry. The main difference was the addition of rich ingredients. If you could afford it, you might add butter, eggs, and expensive spices like cinnamon or nutmeg brought back by traders from the East. But refined sugar was incredibly rare and astronomically expensive. It was a luxury reserved for the wealthiest nobles and royalty. For most people, honey was still the only sweetener, and a cake was often just a simple fruitcake or gingerbread. These were practical, long-lasting foods, not delicate desserts. In fact, the word cake itself originally comes from the Old Norse word kaka, and for a long time, it could refer to any small, flattish baked item. The first hint of the modern cake we love appeared in the 17th century. This is where the story gets really interesting. European bakers, particularly in Italy, France, and Germany, started experimenting. They discovered that by beating eggs, especially egg whites, for a very long time, they could incorporate air into the batter. This was a painstaking, laborious process. Imagine bakers spending hours, literally hours, with a whisk, beating eggs by hand to create a foam. This technique was the secret to the first sponge cakes. These cakes were revolutionary. They were light, delicate, and a world away from the dense, bread-like cakes of the past. But they were also incredibly expensive and time-consuming to make, so they remained a treat for the super-rich. At the same time, another crucial development was happening: the invention of the cake hoop. Before this, cakes were baked in whatever pans were available, often loaf pans, which is why older cakes were often shaped like bread. But bakers began using round molds made of metal or even wood, placed directly on a flat baking sheet. This gave cakes their now iconic round shape. Suddenly, cakes started to look like, well, cakes. This was a huge step in defining the cake as a distinct dessert, separate from bread. The round shape was symbolic, representing the cyclical nature of life, the sun and the moon, which is why they became so popular for birthday celebrations. But even with these innovations, cake was far from being a household item. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century was the true game changer. This period of incredible technological advancement transformed not just factories and cities, but our kitchens too. Suddenly, key ingredients became cheaper and more accessible. Mass production of refined sugar from sugar beets made it affordable for the middle class. Ovens with reliable temperature controls replaced unpredictable open fires, giving bakers unprecedented precision. And then came the most important invention in the history of cake: chemical leavening agents. In the 1840s, baking soda was developed, followed by baking powder a few decades later. This was nothing short of a miracle for bakers. No more hours spent beating eggs to create air. A simple spoonful of this magical powder could make a cake rise beautifully, creating a consistently light and tender crumb every single time. This democratized cake, for the first time, home bakers, not just professional chefs, could reliably make a delicious, impressive cake in their own kitchens. With the ingredients and technology in place, the 20th century became the golden age of cake. American companies began selling pre-packaged cake mixes in the 1930s. Initially, they weren't a huge hit. Housewives felt it was cheating, so the companies cleverly reformulated the mix to require adding a fresh egg. This small step made bakers feel more involved in the process, and cake mixes flew off the shelves. Cake became a staple of American life, a symbol of domesticity, comfort, and celebration. Different countries and cultures developed their own signature cakes. Germany gave us the rich, chocolatey Black Forest cake. Italy perfected the tiramisu. France became the master of elegant patisserie with its delicate Genoas and buttercream creations. The angel food cake, a uniquely American invention, used only beaten egg whites to achieve its heavenly light texture. The look of cakes changed dramatically too. Frosting, or icing, went from being a simple sugar glaze to an art form. Buttercream, made with butter, sugar, and eggs, became the standard. Bakers started using piping bags to create elaborate decorations, rosettes, shells, and intricate lace, the multi-tiered wedding cake. A tradition that started with Queen Victoria in the 19th century became a towering symbol of status and celebration. Cakes were no longer just food. They were edible sculptures. Today, the world of cake is more diverse and creative than ever. We have vegan cakes, gluten-free cakes, and cakes with exotic flavor combinations you couldn't have imagined 50 years ago. We have cake pops, cupcakes that sparked a global craze, and incredible hyper-realistic cakes that look like everyday objects. Television shows and social media have turned cake decorating into a competitive sport, with bakers creating breathtaking masterpieces that push the boundaries of what's possible with sugar, flour, and butter. But no matter how much they change, cakes still hold that same special power they had thousands of years ago. They are at the center of our happiest moments. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or even just a simple Tuesday that needs a little bit of sweetness. A cake is a gesture of love. It's a way of saying, this moment is special, and you are special. From a dense, honey-sweetened bread baked on a hot stone in ancient Egypt to a 7-layer rainbow cake on Instagram, the journey of the cake is a story about us. It's a story of human ingenuity, our love of art, and our deep, enduring need to celebrate the sweet moments of life. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey through the history of cakes. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about the histories of everyday things, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, History of Things. We have so many more stories to share with you. Thanks for watching.